Easy beef and 3 cheese lasagna. Here's what you'll need to make this recipe. In a large skillet, brown the ground beef, breaking it up into crumbles as it cooks. Once brown, drain off the fat and then return the beef to the skillet and add your marinara. Bring the mixture to a simmer and then remove it from heat and set it aside while you prepare your cheese mixture. In a large bowl, combine the ricotta cheese, that's a whole tub, 15-ounce container, 2 cups of freshly grated part skim milk mozzarella cheese, and a couple of tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Season to taste with oregano, garlic, crushed red pepper, basil, salt, and black pepper. Mix thoroughly and then taste the mixture to make sure that you have those seasonings exactly the way you like them before adding an egg. Add the egg and mix well. Lightly coat your baking dish with a little olive oil and then spoon in a little bit of the meat sauce. You want just enough sauce to cover the bottom of the dish. Spread that as evenly as possible and then top with 2 no-boil lasagna noodles, or 3 or 4 depending on the dimensions of your baking dish. My dish held 2 noodles just so. Top the noodles with some of the cheese mixture and spread it evenly to cover the noodles completely. Top the cheese with 2 more noodles, or as many noodles as you're using for your dish. And then top those noodles with some of the meat sauce. Repeat this layering process until you have used all of the meat sauce and all of the cheese mixture. You want to make sure that your noodles are completely covered in sauce. You don't want any bits of noodles sticking out because then they won't cook properly and you'll have gummy, crunchy lasagna, which we all know is no good. Pour all that remaining sauce over the top, spread it around to completely cover your noodles, and then top with some more shredded mozzarella cheese. The amount of cheese is really up to you. I like super cheesy lasagna, so I used quite a bit. Once you're satisfied with the amount of cheese on top, pop that in a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes or until it is hot and bubbly. Let it cool for a few minutes and it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.